How to fix League of Legends crashing or freezing. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first what you can try is simply come down here and look for Windows Update. Check you have any Windows Update and make sure you take it. So then after that we can do is simply find our League of Legends game and then simply right click on it, tap on properties, select compatibilities, and from here you want to make sure that disable full screen optimization is checked, and then press apply and OK and see if that works now. If it still does not work, what you can do is search for task manager and then simply press on details. Now inside details you want to go ahead and press L in your keyboard and then League of Legends is gonna pop up. Go ahead and tap on League Client.exe, tap on End Tasks and then End Process. So after that, click on V in your keyboard and then close down your Vanguard as well. After that, what you can simply do is try and reopen League of Legends and see if that fixes the issue. Now, if it still does not work for you, what you can do is in the search bar, search for apps and features. Go ahead and tap on search bar and then search for Vanguard. Go ahead and uninstall the Vanguard and then try to reopen League of Legends. And when you try to open it, the Vanguard should update itself and install by itself. Now, as a last resort, if none of these work, what you can do is simply type in League of Legends, uninstall it, and then type in Vanguard and then uninstall both at the same time. And after that, do a clean reinstall of League of Legends and that should fix your issue. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.